In past videos, I have put laminate and sublimation HTV on Dollar Tree canvas. But in today's video, I'm going to be testing out if we can sub on the Dollar Tree canvas without anything on it, without polyacrylic, without thermal sheets, without anything on it. So if you want to see if we can sub on them, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about sublimation and sewing on a budget. If either of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family. We're almost at 16,000 subscribers. So join the family and let's jump into seeing if we can sub on Dollar Tree canvas. To test this out, we're going to have our design. I'm going to be using this Gabby's Dollhouse design just because I didn't want to put anything I really cared about in case this doesn't work out. I'm gonna have our Dollar Tree canvas. This is just the square one. This is 8x8. Some heat tape, butcher paper, and some heat gloves. So we're just gonna start off by opening our canvas. I'm just gonna flip it over and place it on my design. I made sure to make my design a little bit bigger. And then I'm just going to take some heat tape and tape that down. This canvas is 100% cotton, so keep that in mind. I want to guess that it's not going to sublimate well without polyacrylic on it, but we shall see. So now this is ready to go to the heat press. I'm just going to take my butcher paper here while I'm here. I'm going to just take it over like this already folded, just to make my life easier. I have my heat press set to 385 and I'm gonna do 60 seconds. I do 385 because my heat press runs hot, and 400 which is burnt stuff. I have my butcher paper, my canvas with the design on it, the logo of the sublimation paper facing up. I'm going to put the butcher paper on top, and let's see, I might have to loosen my pressure a bit. And we're gonna try and see what happens. Okay, pull back our butcher paper. And we're going to, whoa. Look at that ink release. That's why this is one of my favorite papers. HTV Runt, don't sleep on it. One of my favorite papers. I'll have this link down below. You guys, look how cute. Let's move over to my craft table so we can examine it and see close up how the colors look on it. It's subbed. Now, obviously the colors are not super bright because this is 100% cotton. It's not polyester. If you put polyacrylic on it, I'm sure these colors would be popping, but the colors are not bad. Like, this is really cute if you want a little bit more of like a vintagey look to your photos, or if you just want to do something like this for your child's room. It actually sub. I'm actually pretty impressed with how well the colors look on here. It's not something you're going to be washing, so the colors are not continuously going to be fading. It's just going to sit there on the wall. So I'm actually pretty impressed with this. I honestly did not think that it was going to sub, but let me know down below in the comments what do you guys think about it. I am impressed, y'all. I did not think we were going to be able to sub on a Dollar Tree canvas. Did you guys think we were going to? 100% cotton. I did not think we're going to be able to sub on it, but look at that. Isn't that crazy? Like, the colors, again, this is cotton, so the colors are not going to be popping. They're just not going to be vibrant. But that's okay. Like, if you're going for a vintage look, or you're just doing something cute for your kids' room, like, the colors, I don't think the camera's doing it justice. Like, their colors show up a lot better than what's coming out on camera. I'm actually pretty impressed. I like how this turned out. I know my daughter is going to love it. Again, not as vibrant as if you were putting polyacrylic on it, or a thermal laminate sheet, or sublimation HTV. Not as vibrant as that, but pretty close. And I like that you can see the canvas through it. You know, when you put a laminate sheet, you no longer can see all that texture. I'm pretty impressed. So
Again, if you're going for a vintage look or just don't care about the colors being super vibrant, like you can sub straight on this. Like if you're doing decoration for a party or something, you can sub straight on the canvas. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys thought that you can sub on this. Were you right? Were you wrong? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for supporting my channel. Again, if you have not already, make sure to subscribe and join my YouTube. We're almost at 16,000 subscribers. I'm gonna leave in all these bloopers. It's okay. Again, thank you for supporting my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. So is this crooked now? So if either of those things, I bit my lip there. Make sure to subscribe. I don't know why that is a tongue twister for me. Family, we're almost at 16. Sorry.